All right, guys, good morning. This is day one of the Hobie Bass Open on La Crosse. 2-day tournament. Wind is going to be coming out of the south at sustained 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30, so it's going to be a bit sporty, especially because we're on the main river. Yeah, it's going to be a little interesting. Practice was pretty weird, you guys. The fishing is kind of stingy right now. It's had crazy winds. The water is super, super low, and a lot of my history didn't really pan out, so we're going to kind of run and gamble on the river, running a lot of wing dams, running a lot of main river structure, and just trying to see what we can come up with. So anyway, should be a lot of fun. Looking forward to this one. Always do love fishing up here at La Crosse. We have first cast in about 5 minutes, so let's see what we can do. I have no expectations. I've got a lot of topwaters flukes, a lot of shad imitations tied up, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. Smallie. .5 Alright, that was on the Burley jerk shad after throwing 2 topwaters in there. That might be a little indicator that these fish have been getting some pressure with big walking baits and prop baits. Y'all know me, I love that jerk shad though. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of fish on this tree. That saw guy, really pretty one too. Look at those colors on that thing. Okay, dang it, that was a decent smallie. Short. White bass. It's short, but it's a largemouth. Oh boy, we need to get bigger than that, guys. quarter. Oh, I had that fish miss a spinnerbait, hit the fluke. I don't know if it missed the spinnerbait, probably wasn't very big. How you guys doing?
I'm good. I was gonna motor out of here, but I didn't want to blow you up.
Oh, you're fine. I think there's just a bunch of little fish in that mouth right now.
Are you the Midwest fishing gal?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Awesome. Are y'all fishing the BFL?
Yeah. You fishing a tournament?
Yeah, we got one. There's only about 90 of us in it today, though, this weekend. It's a smaller one.
What pool?
7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yes, sir.
Glad to finally meet you.
Yeah, it's good to meet you too. What was your name?
Stephen Caldwell.
Steven, great to meet you. Good luck, y'all.
Thank you.
Not a super nice guy. These smallmouth are getting a lot smaller, you guys. Oh no, digging. Oh, dang it.
Not been awesome. Well, it's been awesome, but it's not been. I added a 12.25.
Yeah, I added a 12 flat. I lost what felt like a pretty good one though.
This big guy comes right off this point, right?
There we go. Oh! Dang it. Oh, there's a little one. But I lost a good one right here. Oh no! I don't know what is going on. Oh my gosh, I lost that one too. No, that one felt pretty good. Dang. Every once in a while, one will come up and push bait. Usually they're too far away for me to get to them though. That's a 16-incher. We needed that. There was one with it too. Oh, that felt like a good one. I don't know what's going on with this, you guys. One off. I don't know if it was a pipe or fish. Caught this one. Alright, we gotta beef up the line, beef up the rod, beef up something. Lost way too many fish. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, nice.
That was on the top water too. Oh, it's a smallie.
Nice.
It's not hooked very good. Oh, it's barely hooked. Oh my gosh. Come here. That's a little one, but I'll take it. That's a little one, but actually, you know what? I don't even know if that'll measure. When it jumped, I thought it was a little bit bigger. 13. Alright guys, we're beefing everything up. This one is done. Oh, we needed that one, you guys. We needed that one. That was also a mess. Goodness. Whew. That is a 17-incher. Funny thing was, I saw that fish chasing it, so I just paused it and let that little jerk shad get down. They like that Maxen up here. Okay guys, late in the day update. Sat on that area for basically all day, went back and forth in one spot. Just wanted to kind of see if fish kept moving through there. They are, but I think I've got 2 little fish, 3 fish I'm happy to have my limit, 2 little ones I need to cull. I'm gonna go get into these backwaters over here and just kind of explore a little bit for the last 2 hours. I don't know, maybe try to figure something else out. I hadn't fished any of this stuff yet. This is all kind of new for me. Again, I just went fishing blind, just having fun going fishing. So if I could cull those 2 fish, I'd actually be, you know, I wouldn't be out of it. So I just got to cull those 2. So far I've been catching all of my fish, most of them on that Burley jerk shad. It is Maxen, I think that's important. Did catch 1 or 2 on the Chapo 90 as well. Sorry, I'm out of shape, guys. But anyway, we're gonna go run back in here, see if it's any good. And who knows, if it's not, I'm gonna turn right around and get back out. You fought pretty hard for being so small. Okay, also as I was getting back to this little pond I wanted to try to get into and frog, there was a boat coming out of it. So I think what that tells me, that's just a sign. I need to go back out and just grind it out on this area, try to cull these 2 fish. I'm really not in a position right now that I can afford to just go explore, especially a small area right behind somebody. Don't think that's probably my best interest. If I had those 2 little fish culled out, it'd be a different story, but I don't. So we're gonna go out here, spend the next 2 hours throwing this jerk shad and a little topwater around, see if we can't cull these 2 small fish and at least be in it tomorrow. Boy, it's windy out there. And honestly, I'm jumping all over the place right now. I've got some major ADD. Honestly though, I lost some really nice fish on that area. Broke that one big one off, had at least 2 or 3 others that felt substantial. So there's good fish there. I just have to not lose them. Got to get a little lucky too. Okay guys, got a 17.5. I think that the fight with this fish pulled my GoPro cord out, so I don't know how much that you guys saw. It was a nightmare, but it was awesome. So we culled, that was a 5-inch cull. That's a big one. 5.5-inch cull. So we like that. That's gonna help a ton. I think I made the right call to come back out here and just grind it out for 1 more and just grind it out on this spot, which goes to show, like, you could pull up on this spot and not catch a single thing in practice and ride it off, and lo and behold, sometimes it's one of those deals. If you know an area just has fish moving through, sometimes you just gotta kind of sit it out. I don't like doing that, but I didn't really feel like doing a whole lot of work in this wind either, so. And there they are. A lot of more smallmouth here. We need you to grow and get big, bud. All right, guys, the GoPro's doing funny stuff again. Just caught a 13 3/4 to cull like a 1/2 inch, but I saw a big largemouth blow up. Oh no! Dang it! Ah, dang! Of course it was recording for that. right, guys, I need to pull one more. Oh no. That sucked, you guys. Oh, that was a big smallmouth. Dang, well that is very unfortunate. That would have been probably about a 4 to 5 inch cold. Would have put me well over 80 and probably sitting pretty good. Jumping that fish off. Jumping that fish off hurt, but when you're fishing for smallmouth, that happens a lot, and it happened a lot today, but that's okay. We stayed alive. I'm not totally out of it, but probably gotta have a big bag tomorrow. So I'm gonna go sharpen these hooks up, and we're gonna get them tomorrow.
Would you be down with taking a selfie?
Yeah, absolutely.
I was like, that's a beautiful backdrop. So
Oh,
I'm thinking,
yeah, absolutely it is.
I'll get a few in there. That's nice. All right, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I'll send you one.
That was a fun, aside from the fish not cooperating too much, staying on our hooks, it was a fun day.
Yeah. Well, and frankly, what are you thinking for tomorrow? I mean, I'll probably just come back and do it again.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. I mean, I lost 4 fish that were probably over 17.
Yeah.
They're there.
So